Hi, Vince here with S&G Asphalt Service. Today we are working at BDS, Bearings, Drives and Solutions, at their Quakertown location here at 2070 Quaker Point Drive in Quakertown. Now this project had it all going on. Severe surface cracks, curb crack filling, as well as asphalt seal coating, and then at the end of the day tomorrow we'll be finishing up their line striping. We were off to a very cold, wet and damp May. This project behind me had to be done on the weekends only, and thanks to constant communication and schedule changes to accommodate the weather, we are now finally able to get this project done this weekend. We constantly check on the weather. We constantly keep up to date with you in communication if we have to reschedule. And luckily the people here with BDS were very easy to work with and understanding for the beginning of the year. This is our first project of the season where we're laying down seal coat on a parking lot, and I hope you guys enjoy how it looks at the end of this video recap. If you are a property owner looking for a reliable contractor, give us a call at 484 for Paving, and we will be more than happy to help you with what you have going on with your parking lot to make it look beautiful. Thank you.